Okay, guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Mobile Legends. I'm here again with my cousin Enzo.
Hi there.
Okay, hi there. Okay. I'm just gonna play. Who are you using? Type. Oh yes, we have support. We have Diggy, a bird. Of course. We have Diggy, a bird, who supports us. Okay, I'm gonna pause this so you guys can have more time. I'll see you guys later.
Reaches the
Okay,
battlefield.
back. Okay.
Smash them. All troops deployed.
They're eating something right now. Hold up. Wait. Let's see what they do. Diggy, come here. Diggy, you come with me. Diggy, this way. Diggy, no. Diggy.
Diggy.
Diggy, I'm gonna tweet you. Come. Where are you going?
I don't know, follow Diggy.
You know, fine, good.
Dapat si Diggy na sa bangon.
Fine, you go stay with Diggy. I'll go stay with you.
Actually, Diggy yung lang.
Ah.
Bottom lane.
Just remember that. He can't go back to the base. He just like turns to an egg. What? Give me. I thought that was an enemy.
Find the enemy.
Got it.
First blood.
My soul close to the door. Did take him down like this. Should I use Inspire? Oh no, we're dead. Retreat. Bye-bye. I'm dead.
Justice
Wait,
is
no.
the last
You get it being attacked.
Oh no!
I'm gonna be like, stop moving around, I'm gonna kill you.
Nothing
Fear
is
me.
worthy without power.
I got him.
You have slain an enemy.
Diggy the bird.
Turtle resurrected.
Angry Bird, is that Chuck Norris? How dare you? Oh wait. Hey Diggy, come here.
Help me!
Okay, I'll help you. Okay.
An
Oh no.
ally has been slain.
Diggy the bird has a big
Ally
clock
has been
which
slain.
shoots. I don't know.
Find the enemy.
It shoots. I don't know.
Destroyed a turret.
Oh, but destroy the turn. Very nice. Diggy bird. Come here. Diggy bird. So Diggy is a bird who is so civilized, which like shake his Obama's right there, which shake his big clock thing, and then it shoots something, and and he's so civilized. I don't know if it's he or she, but it's so civilized. As birds eat worm, so he eats
Let
worm.
my sword hear your last word.
Our turret has
You
been
shut
destroyed.
up! No.
Oh no.
Slay the minions.
An ally
The strategy of the day: retreat.
I have my
He uses SS. You know that mark on the ground? That's his SS. Just like
An ally
slash.
has been slain.
there's a mark on the ground.
Justice is the last refuge
There's a mark
of
on
the
the ground.
weakness.
So what you gonna do?
Our turret has been
It's
destroyed.
being destroyed, boy. You gotta go there. Save the day. Wait, hold up. No, get out of the way, you big thing.
Big thing.
Find the enemy.
Slam. I'm just gonna slay this guy instead.
Help me.
I am helping you.
No, you're not. I can see you
With the
here.
sword.
Where are you?
Help
An
me.
ally has been slain.
R.I.P. Tiger, my friend.
I
I did.
did.
You did, or I did?
Flame is burning.
I did, boy. Oh, wait, you gonna stand me now?
You have slain an enemy.
Come on, catch me if you can, boys.
An ally
Oh,
has been
Zylon, he's
slain.
like so fast, even though he's so fat. No, my God.
Killing
did.
spree.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the video here so you can have more time. I'll see you guys later. Alright, we're back. How come our Zylon isn't doing anything?
Save Diggy.
Save Diggy.
Our turret is under attack.
I'm gonna save that turret for no reason.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Stop leaving marks on the ground.
Hold up.
Enemy rampage.
What should we do? Diggy is an egg. Dig is an egg. What should we do with it?
The flame is burning inside me.
Crack it. Crack it, obviously.
What to do with eggs?
Crack it.
Let my sword hear your last
Take
word.
care of it.
An ally has been
I
slain.
got my attack speed now and my immortality. Dig it!
An ally has been
Dig it,
slain.
bird! Come catch me again before I got my hook. Oh look, where are you?
Your team destroyed a turret.
Good job, minions.
Nothing is worthy without you.
Enemy unstoppable.
Okay, Diggy's dead.
Let my sword hear your last word.
Yeah, let me see your last word. What's your last word? Nigga. Follow to battle.
The flame is burning inside me.
Pushing, where are you?
Right here, defending.
An enemy has been slain.
Okay, I'll go.
Immortality is worthy without power.
An ally has been slain. Enemy rampage.
Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna
Enemy
go.
double kill.
I'm gonna pause it.
Words.
Alright, let's do this.
I'm digging in the cracky.
Diggy's smooth. Diggy is back. Diggy's voice sounds like a gayish guy.
Power means it.
What the hell, man?
Your team destroyed a
Maybe a
turret.
smart. No.
Shut down.
How dare you?
An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain. Enemy rampage.
Yourself, dumbass. You dumbass,
Enemy
go home.
dominated.
Immortality. Oh, yes.
Yes, it is. Why?
Oh, wow, okay,
I don't care.
okay.
Become one with the sword.
Balmond! You bald, right? Balmond, you bald little kid.
You have slain
you're
an
spoiled.
enemy. You have been slain.
Till death.
Whoa.
The flame is burning
Right,
inside
you
me.
you need kills. Go get a knife. Kill everybody you love. No, there you got killed.
Shut down.
I said you want kills.
Enemy
You want kills.
unstoppable.
Oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Enemy
Ah!
kill.
You said I hope I die, and I really died.
I hope I get 20 kills.
Enemy triple
That's
kill.
what the cost would be. And then you just look at your screen and you're visibly like, oh, 20 kills, oh my god. Diggy, want some crap?
Burning inside me.
Shut down.
I want him dead or alive.
Double kill.
Yes, worth it.
You have
I
been
got 6
slain.
kills, what you gonna do about it?
I got 3 kills.
Oh, let's go. Pause you right here. Hey guys, you know
Our
what?
turret has
Everybody
been
said,
destroyed.
"Help me get kills." I was like, alright. I'll get you kills. Come on, hurry up.
This is the last refuge of the weakness.
Dig, Tiger, he's back.
I'm back and
Better than ever. 10 seconds later. I'm sick.
Nothing is worthy without power.
An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
I'm gonna kill you.
An ally has been slain.
Everybody's dying. First,
Power means
I gotta get one of
eternity.
Why is Digger rolling?
Immortality.
Fort, sit.
You have slain an enemy. Has been slain. Double kill.
There.
An ally has been
Actually,
slain.
one
You have
question.
been
I keep
slain.
dying. And
That's because you're black.
I keep dying, but I get 2 kills at the same time. Okay, it's already 9 minutes. We're gonna make a part 2 of this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here.
Pretty sure we're already dead, so...
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. If you like the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below how you think the video was. And as always, comment down below. As always, stay awesome and peace.